Right, so first I've grinded some cumin seed, coriander, dry seeds, and various others on a pan. So, and then after frying it, you grind all the seeds together like so. And you can add some water as well, so it makes the grinding much more easier. Then I put some ginger and some garlic, and now you mix them all together. Add some water like I am, so it makes, as I said, the grinding much easier. And that's the paste. Then put your pressure cooker on, pour some oil. I'm just using a normal olive oil. Put some, I call this guano in our language. I don't know what it's called in English. I have to Google that. Then fry some white onions. You can use any onions, red. Once the onions are slightly fried, put some turmeric, just slightly bit. And I also put some salt, which I think I forgot to video. And I chop some tomatoes, fry it together. Then I think I put the lid on, not completely, just slightly on the top, just so the tomatoes can soak all in. And then after some minutes, you put your chicken or any kind of meat, lamb, turkey, pork, whatever you want. Give it a nice stir. And then add your masala, which you made in the beginning. Give it a stir again, and then close the pressure cooker lid, not completely, slightly, for about 15 minutes. Let the chicken fry. I haven't added any water from the chicken. The water comes out, as you can see. Add some boiled water, just halfway through. Don't forget to add your salt. I've already done it, just haven't showed it on the camera. And then after that, I put the pressure cooker on, close the lid tightly. And after three or four pressures up, you open the lid, and there you go. Your chicken's all cooked, tender. And after that, the garnishing, we've got some dill and some coriander. Add the dill first, and then the coriander next. Coriander, and then give it a stir. That's it. It already looks so much yummy. And that's it. Your chicken soup curry. It's very simple. You can have it with anything. We've added